Hello.
We try to find our ways in life, to give our hearts and soul a piece of mind. But you just wanna drink your wine, grab the glass and let it go down. But I can't hold you any longer. I can cope 'cause you're a story. I wake up feeling even smaller, even when the
This is the half decoration card for Kapitlan. You're welcome with Dodong Div.
Hello.
And his girlfriend, si Chow. Say hi. And Malaya. And Apollo. And Doki Xavier to RBC. Hi, Doki.
Back down in Malaya.
Hello everyone, Pacific welcome you to Katiklan, Boracay. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns off the passenger sign.
Yeah. Paper ilang straw.
Crispy pata is the best.
We're having
Bisiko.
seafood carbonara and crispy pata. Okay, thank you.
For dessert guys, ang available is chocolate chip and cheesecake lang. In case you wanna try. Ayun, guys. Kumusta? Ha? Diba ka blood kasi?
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing back your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours.
Kamo na mismo ba-explore? Like, have you guys been to the pool?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Actually, mo na kung plano ba ito lagi karon.
So guys, ngayon, papunta kami sa Savoy Hotel kasi dun kami hello! Magsiswim ng pool. Because they only allow, I think, 6 people sa pool nila. So, we'll be transferring to Savoy.
Actually, this is the party pool. Common namin sa dalawa.
Oh, sa Savoy and Belmont.
Yeah.
Thank you! Okay. Yep. Yeah.
Dreaming of you.
I'll leave you muna dito. Just in case that you'll be needing something. One of our guards will, yeah.
Okay.
Okay po.
Thank you so much.
Sige po. See you around. Okay.
Dreaming of you.
Wow. The comfort room is so big. Yeah. And the best thing is, merong balcony. Wow. I mean, look at the view. Oh my gosh. And also, may mga labels na ganyan na lahat ng mga gamit na makikita mo sa room are all sanitized, as well as the telephones and ayan, the remote control is sanitized and everything is really clean, right babe? Yes. We have your pizza, and then seafood carbonara. Carbonara is my favorite. And then fried chicken with fries. Yay! And iced caramel. Of course, coffee is life. Iced coffee is life. Thank you so much, Belmont. Paper straws. on our way to Station 3 of Boracay. May meet kaming friend, the best friend ni Malaya. Tapos, dun kami mag-picture. Dun talaga yung famous na alam mo yung mahabang shore ng Boracay. So, let's go! I got these shades from Central Style. Malaya Police Station. Push kayo. We are here at Station X ng Boracay.
Totoo yan, ma'am. Lahat totoo yan. Wala nagtitinag-tinag.
Na ito na ko. Sa kaniko ni san.
Ito, ma'am. Turuan kita, ma'am, na ano baka makabili ka ng plastic. Kapag bili ka, pag kisikis mo siyang dalawa. Kisikis mo, tapos nagpo-produce ng powder. Buruan mo yan, mabalik yan.
Mabalik sa dati.
Oo.
Yan yung tunay.
Yung plastic na kahit ganyan mo, wala nang ano. Ito kayo.
Kaya makagwapa ni basta perlas.
Oo, makagwapa na siya. Ma'am, bili ka rin sa akin.
Maliit lang.
Ikaw.
Hindi, okay lang kuya. Hi!